This is a great case study, and I want you to watch this video to the end. What you'll notice in the middle of the video is how the patient's system, in essence, kind of collapses and she loses all strength. This is in response to me mentioning her mom, saying that she's been speaking to her mother. This is a good case study to demonstrate how emotions have an impact upon physical strength. We all know this personally. We get upset, angry, agitated, and it has an impact upon our muscles and our stress levels. But you may never have seen it in a muscle testing exam, and the reality was discovered accidentally simply through the process of the examination.
I was like raving about you, and she was like, who do you see? And I'm like, Doctor, do you pronounce it Algie? Algie. And she's like, yep, love him.
All right, on a serious note, how are you doing? How's your body?
I feel like up here is all super, super tense. I feel just like out of whack, like generally. I don't feel like I'm thinking straight.
Now, is this weekend, or did it happen after your last session, or when did this come about?
I would say after every session, I felt amazing, except for last one, and I don't really know what it was.
Last session, that's Friday?
It's Wednesday.
When was your trip?
Thursday.
See how
so I think it was more the trip, honestly. It was like my stress was really high.
At the end of the video, you make this little dance, so I was thinking you felt good after our session.
Dance?
Yeah, I'll show it to you. You'll see it.
Oh God.
Heel to toe. Let's see what you got.
Okay.
Head up, eyes closed. Balance is pretty decent. All right. That's pretty great, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, on your back, face up. From the top, you ready? Push up. Go. Go. Good. Go. How's your mom? Push out.
She's good.
When's the last time you talked to her? Push out.
Today.
Try this one. Go. I'm taken aback for a moment because this is not the normal pattern for this patient. This patient typically has facilitation even with inhibitory inputs, which is abnormal. The minute she went weak because I had mentioned her mother caused me to pause for a moment. I couldn't understand how I just tested muscles a moment ago that were strong, and now their same muscles are testing weak, which indicated to me that she and her mother are having some kind of tiff. And mom, when you see this does not mean you're a bad mother or anything like that. It just means these are normal human interactions, and human interactions have impacts upon emotions, which have impacts upon muscle strength. Mom, push up.
What?
I said, Mom, push up. Is your mom stressing you out at all?
A little bit. How can you tell?
Because your body got weak when I mentioned your mother's name. So just accidentally, I was testing it. You were fine. You were strong, and then I said, how's your mom? And then when we did the test, they went weak, which was abnormal for you, which told me that your emotions are affecting your muscles. Mom, push up. Good, push out, go. All right. Ready, push up, go. Much better. Try again. Good, push out. Good. Mom, push out. Much better. Push up. Okay, well, you're gonna feel better when we're done. Go walk for a moment, let's see how you're doing.
No, that's actually a lot better.
Yeah, go walk go do a loop in the lobby.
I waved to your GoPro.
Let's do this. I want your hands like that behind your neck. Squeeze Squeeze your elbows together for me. Lean forward. Keep squeezing, just like that. Look up for me. Look up, up, up. I'm gonna pull. Don't let me pull. Good. I'm gonna scratch your back. Pull for me. Go. Yep, just like last time. Again, go. Bottom leg straight for me like that. Roll with me. I won't let you fall, I promise. You just relax. You're good. Relax. Okay, that's great. Go walk us. Just go for a little walk and see how you feel.
Wow, I feel so good. Just because of Dr. Augie's work.
How do you feel though?
I do feel really good.
Thank you.
Thank you.